Hello, IK here. Welcome to regist register, registration, register. Here it is in public. Now we are in e-retail public application, and user must be registered. Here it is, register, and here is the name, email, password, customer or admin. We will regulate it, save. Okay, cancel, back to home page. It is register. Login will be in next video about login. How I created? Now created Chat GPT. But if you are beginner, don't touch Chat GPT. Even though this is advanced, uh, I begin for beginner, but now we are long in advanced, immediate, and in advanced territory. Okay, how I regulate it? I just copy all about user. I have user database. In database is user table. I created in admin I created CRUD in admin for that table user. And now I only copy, because we have separate backend, I copy user folder from admin, copy to public backend, and it's main job. And after that, I said ChatGPT that code register button. And for register button, we have artificial coded this. That what I use artificial, and said you don't use artificial. Don't confuse you, because I am very advanced teacher, and I can use like very advanced teacher and programmer and developer, but not in team professional. I am professional teacher for developer and programmers, etc. I can use artificial, and I show you that you know what waiting for you when you would be advanced. But if you are beginner, type, take pen, analyze on the paper, stop video, listen, and the most important, learn from book. And the most important, paper book, not online book. There is a reason uh, with hand, when we take book with hand, when you go ahead and back, it is, and you have pen, you have paper on this, and you create with your hand the diagrams and analyze data flow. It is complete physical contact with material from what you learn. Here is one example. When we start to use digital picture, digital photo, uh, we never look at in that photo what we recorded, what we shot. Never. We have a million and million would we have in our life, but no album, no go back to look at it. And so is with important. so is with the online book. You can go fast ahead, fast back, search, uh, but it is not like paper book. And also it is online, but also artificial. Artificial have infinitive possibility. And when you have infinity possibility, like you have infinity photo, you have nothing. Okay. Uh, I ask, I give and artificial code registration page. Registration page I put in header. Look at registration page, go in header. In header is a search form. In header is links. Now in header is registration button. It is head and registration page. It is CSS. Page is here, registration page. Button, this is a link. Okay, registration, import link. Yes, here it is. Look at how button is register and link. We import link from React Router DOM, document object model. Here it is React Router document object model. Document object model is document. It is what we see on the screen. It is user interface, but it is backend of user interface. It is in memory HTML structure. And the link is a React element in that library. In library, React Router DOM. Link is capital letters. We use link. Link, there is properties too, and would be registration. That when would be in email registration, in address, web address registration, we open, here it is, index.js, here it is. When is registration, root path registration, element would be add user form. Add user form is here. Now we copy complete user folder. In that user folder is add user form, and add user form would be open when would be in email registration. And it's all. It's all. I copy complete users, and I did so for others folder. And I didn't lose now time for eliminate what I don't need from CRUD. This moment I from CRUD need only add user form. And it would be visible in outlet part of app component, in outlet part of app component. I use complete because of simplicity and simplicity your learning. That React router together, front end React, router manager, state manager, backend Express application, MySQL, data server for relation database, our database. That is compact in every video, in every my action I use, and it is learning. It is repetition, repetition, and repetition. Our system grow, system e-commerce, what I call here e-retail admin, e-retail public, grow, have more and more table, but it is not complex. It is because we know that every table there is a root, there is a CRUD, and that CRUD create, read, update, delete. CRUD is the same for every table, and it is fundamental building block. How many tables, so many root, CRUD, and some of that CRUD we use in public part of our application. Okay, when it is registration, we will see add user. All code you can see in Git repository. Address is below this video. Below this video. Look at here, it is add user form. I must use it because that form is registration. That form is registration. Here is a folder users. Users, here it is. Add user form, update, update user form, users list, and users slice. Here it is. All of that. I copy all. But in the end, when we maybe, and I can does it, I didn't until now, but in the future when I need have only one backend for both backend and front end, in same I can say the artificial intelligence ChatGPT compare to these two code and create pages and create a file with removing any duplicate. Okay, and I hope it would be good in this ChatGPT. It's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video would be about login.